So, ano yata karon diri naglakaw sa ako dati. And welcome to our Real Talk series. And kung nakita ninyo guys, perting mingawa. Mingaw jud kay dalan, no? Mingaw. So, karon murag na remember ko nga Japan is always like almost like the United States or Canada wherein wala kayo tao, no? And mind you, I think it has the same feeling as that of in the US wherein halos di mo magkailanay sa iyong mga silingan. And mostly trabaho, yeah, going to your house to rest, and after that wala na. So wala akong ma-picture karon diri, just walking and perti mingawa, walay tao. So it boils down again to the question whether I will survive here in Japan in this kind of lifestyle. Kay medyo ano ba ako kana, I would say I consider myself as an introvert person, pero I like a lot of people makes me happy. And yeah, so maybe based on this, like work, house, and yeah, di na ako ma-picture akong sarili living here in Japan. So yan, real talk lang. But maybe itakibaw, maybe kung naadyo kay reason para mo anhidre, and especially if you're with your family, then probably it's a different story, no? As all the other migrating Filipinos are in the world. Mapugos ka o ka ng acclimatize, mapugos ka adjust. And by the way guys, I like this Honda, this type of car. So yan, pugos ka and then later on adjust ka, and then maybe after a year or two, you become just like any other Japanese, who survive in the city. And yeah, alright. And then, real talk lang. For now, I think, especially in this weather nga bugnaw kayo, maybe Japan is not for me. Arigato!